everyone, this is my output enrollment inquiry system with database. So try natin. So ayan ang napili kong design. So mag-input naman tayo ng mga information. Then click the add, and students added successfully. Then sa update naman, click mo lang yon, then palitan mo yung kailangan palitan, then click the update. Yan, student update successfully. Then punta naman tayo sa access. So ayan, ito yung mga record. That's all, thank you.